This video has been brought to you by My Extraordinary Productions, now offering actor research services. Learn which showrunners, producers, directors, and casting teams you should be targeting. Click the link in the description to learn more. One very common question is, do I need to buy a camera when my phone has a camera on it? Can't I just use my phone? And honestly, depending on what you're doing, yeah, you can just use your phone. But let's go over the pros and cons first. Your phone is great for just getting things done, but I like to compare your phone to a Swiss Army knife. Yes, your Swiss Army knife may have a pair of scissors and a screwdriver, but using an actual pair of scissors or an actual screwdriver is a better experience than trying to use the Swiss Army scissors or the Swiss Army screwdriver. The phone can do a lot, but I am one of those people who just prefers the experience of using a camera because I can control a lot more of these minute details than I could if I were just using a phone. Likewise, with the editing software, I'm able to really fine-tune things and overlay things, and with a phone you can't do that. Phones are great for self-tape auditions. Phones are great if you're just trying to get something done. Cameras and actual editing software are good if you really need to manipulate some of the finer details. Now, a lot of companies on Amazon do sell little accessories that you can add to your phone so that it operates more like a camera. But honestly, if you're going to spend $200 on things to make your phone work like a camera, you might as well spend $200 on a used camera. Lastly, if you're going to shoot with your phone, I strongly recommend putting it on airplane mode because otherwise, I guarantee you someone will call you or text you at that exact second. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe this video and click the links below for more information. If you have a question, leave a comment and I'll be sure to answer it in the next edition of this vlog. Thanks a lot.